Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Java, when writing unit tests, it's often necessary to verify that certain methods throw exceptions under specific conditions. This is especially important for testing error handling and ensuring that your code behaves as expected in the presence of invalid input or other exceptional conditions. Testing for exceptions in Java. There are several ways to test for exceptions in Java, especially when using the JUnit framework. Below, I'll detail the most common methods, along with code examples. Method 1, using @test, expected equals exception.class. The simplest way to test for exceptions is to use the @test annotation's expected parameter. This method is straightforward but has some limitations, such as not allowing for additional assertions after the exception is thrown. Example. In this example, if some method that should throw exception throws an illegal argument exception when passed a negative number, the test will pass. If no exception is thrown, or if a different exception is thrown, the test will fail. Method 2, using try-catch block. If you want to perform additional assertions after catching the exception, you can use a try-catch block within your test method. Example. In this approach, you catch the exception and can make assertions on it. If the exception isn't thrown, the test fails. Method 3, using assert throws, JUnit 5. If you're using JUnit 5, you can take advantage of the assertions.assert throws method, which is more flexible and allows for additional assertions. Example. In this example, assert throws captures the exception, and you can then assert on its properties, such as the message. Conclusion. Testing for exceptions in Java is essential for ensuring that your code behaves correctly under erroneous conditions. Depending on the version of JUnit you're using, you have several options for testing exceptions, each with its benefits. Testing exceptions helps maintain robust and reliable code, especially in production environments.